In this video, I am give the knowledge of how to update and install the Power BI or the Power BI desktop. So let's start the video. I will open my Power BI desktop. Here my Power BI desktop opened. So here I click on about. So here is seen the version 2.144. I will close this file. Close. So go to Google Chrome and search Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop download. So here is the first link. Click here. Scroll down. So here is the version 2.14. My version is 2.144. Here is the 2.15. So here is English and say download. Select our size and our PC can support. So I will select Power BI desktop setup X65EXX. So say download. So here download starting. So friends, here my Power BI desktop will download. So here open here complete. So you can also directly download the Power BI desktop to search in Google Chrome, and here is a link and you can firstly download it. I can install here my Microsoft Power BI desktop open for setup. I will close this Google Chrome. I will set up it. So say next. I say yes. So my computer is loading. So preparing to install. Welcome to Microsoft Power BI Desktop X64 setup wizard. So I will say next, accept it and say next. Here path is or we can first download it. The path is same. You can download or update, but path is the same of this app Power BI Desktop. Say next. Say install. So installing the Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Here is the status. So friends, I can make video for English communication, for Power BI tools, Excel formulas, functions, and SQL queries. I learned the data analytics tools like Excel, Power BI. So friends, you can interested in the data analytics course, you can subscribe my channel, like my video. I can get the job of data analytics, so I can preference you for my subscriber, my viewer, my followers. I can preference in my company. So friends, you can subscribe and comment in this channel, so I will get it. So here Microsoft Power BI status. So here he removing the old file. Take some time removing old file and generate the new files. So I will get some time. So friends, here is my install complete. Here me click the finish. So Power BI will open. So here is a new version of Power BI updating version. So here is opened. So go to about and here is I will see you. So here I started video. Here is version 2.144. So it so you can see there version 2.145. So close it. So here my Power BI updating. You can install like this. Go to Chrome and search Power BI desktop and say download. Or PC can support our 32 byte or 64 byte. you can install it. So I will see how new Power BI. So some make changes, DAX, TMDL, new tool. So thank you for watching my video. So you can like, subscribe my channel for more updates about Power BI desktop. So thank you for watching.